The Hotpoint brand is America's hardest working equipment. It's tough, durable, and reliable, which is why we partnered up with Ohio Valley Wrestling, home of the Netflix series The Wrestlers, which hosts some of the toughest people in the industry.
OVW is one of the last regional operations in the wrestling business, and we are very resilient. But unfortunately, when our HVAC went down, temperatures soared in this building and just became way too hot, and we couldn't operate for most of the summer.
This is where Hotpoint came to flex their muscle.
We're installing our Hotpoint Ductless in the locker room and main entrance, and then using our higher brand VRF equipment in the main arena area.
Upstairs in this locker room, it can get unbearably hot, and even for some of us tough guys, it tends to bring us down to our knees.
We were excited to be approached to do an install of the Hotpoint Ductless. As installers, we love that it's easy to install and easy to service. Because of the installation setup, there's more flexibility to put Hotpoint in more spaces.
Our team here at Lusk is installing the higher VRF system. It's a commercial grade product and is a sister brand to Hotpoint.
We here at OVW have been here at this particular location since the late 90s. We know that each and every summer, especially here in Louisville, the temperatures rise and it makes things very tough on the fans and the wrestlers. And we are now able to announce our new and improved arena, Hotpoint Davis Arena.
We are so grateful that Hotpoint was able to tame the heat.
Hotpoint, America's hardest working equipment. And check out hotpoint.com for our line of products.